Have you ever seen a building that looks like it came from the future? Let me introduce you to the Sphere in Las Vegas, the largest spherical structure in the world. It officially opened on the 29th of September 2023 and cost around $2.3 billion to build. The Sphere stands 366 feet tall and is 516 feet wide, making it impossible to miss on the Las Vegas Strip. But here's the real jaw-dropper. The outside of the Sphere is covered in 1.2 million LED lights, which can display anything, from an eyeball to a giant emoji. It's basically a 360-degree screen, visible from miles away. Inside, it's even more mind-blowing. It can hold up to 18,600 people, with a screen that wraps all the way around you in a stunning 16K resolution, the highest of any screen on Earth. The Sphere was designed for immersive experiences, concerts, films, events, and it also uses 4D effects like vibration, wind, and even scent to make you feel like you're inside the action. The first show inside the Sphere was by U2, and it was a huge success. This isn't just a venue, it's a new kind of entertainment, and it's changing how we experience live shows. So next time you're in Vegas, just look up. You can't miss the future staring right back at you. Let the visuals speak now. Enjoy the view.
Forever